Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I think I got a good one for you today. I hope I do anyway. And yeah, back with another stack of $50 bills. I had been doing hundreds for quite a while, and I've been getting people asking for 50s, so here we are at $50 bills. And well, first off, got a 33, a pair of threes out there. Oh, look at there. The old dreaded right there, right on top, just to get things started, huh? Wow, look at this guy here. Well, this is an interesting bill. This is number one. It's an old timer. Look at, we got four deuces, a pair of sevens, and a pair of nines. Everything's a pair or above. That's a 2001. Not too bad of a shape of bill. He's obviously got the folds in him, but that was kind of cool. 3 4s right off the bat. 3 8s. Unbelievable. Yeah, we're getting some good bills right off the bat. Wow. Pair of 8s, pair of 1s. Nothing to write home about. Pair of 3s. Same here. Same thing. They kind of hang together, those 3s. Pair of 6s. Look at all the 7s here. Here's my note that I want to take to the one-arm bandits. Pair of 7s. He's doing good. Pair of 4s. A lot of pairs on this stuff, and 3 of a kind already. Nothing on that guy. Yeah, had a good day out up in the Midwest. And very beautiful fishing opener. Even been doing some fishing myself, so it's been really good. Went out last night and caught some very nice fish. A little windy out there, but hey, that's the way it goes. 3s and 6s. I think I might even go out there again tonight. Yeah, usually later on it slows down a little bit, the wind does, so pair of 9s, up in this area it does anyway. So yeah, that'll be fun. Catching the big fish. Let me know in the comments if anyone out there does a lot of fishing out there and what they're fishing for. Be kind of interested to find out. Pair of 8s. Oh, look at all the 9s here. Holy cows, we also got a pair. Pair of 5s. Please, while I'm talking about the comments and all that, please do the subscribe thing. I really appreciate that. The comments, the likes, apparently the algos like that, so the algorithms, they want to see all that stuff, so I appreciate it. Pair of 1s. But we're looking for star notes today, so what is it, pair of 7s there? Not much there. 9s and 1s on this guy. Ah, look at that, we got another one here. Holy Hannah. We're getting enough of those guys. Hopefully no more of those. Look at there, all the 8s on there. Wow. Oh, look at here. Finally got one. What do we have here? This guy is a 2017A. He's got a pair of 5s on him. He's a little beat up. Obviously, you can tell he's been folded a few times. A little scraggly. Not in the best of shape, but hey, you know, it's a star note. And cool. And speaking of that, I wanted to check in the last star notes I got on the 50s. They weren't... there was like, the original run was 272 million, and the rerun was 1.28 million, and it was the same thing on the other one too, and they were part of the same batch. That was kind of an interesting deal on those, so if you remember seeing that last video. But on this one, I'll check it out and let you know. Thank you. Pair of 7s. Yeah, it's kind of nice to find the old star notes once in a while. I'm still surprised on the amount of people that don't know about those. I guess I shouldn't really be surprised. Pair of twos. I did not know nothing about them until right prior to me starting this channel. I did not know what they were, and yeah, pair of fives. But what I get a kick out of, I mean, most of you people that are watching my videos, you're, 45 and older, 55 and older, according to my analytics, and I'm getting more women involved. So on the deal, you can either be male, female, or unknown. So I haven't got any unknowns, whatever that might be. Pair of threes. But right now, I'm up to about 20% female and about 80% male. So you guys would know this about wheat pennies. Most of you people know about wheat pennies. And if you talk to some of the younger people about wheat pennies, they haven't got a clue. Even some older, what is it, the millennials you want to be called? Pair of fours don't even have a clue on what a wheat penny is, let alone an Indian head. I wonder if you guys can even say that anymore. That might be, it might trigger somebody, I suppose. Pair of fives. Another pair of fives right there. Yeah, you never know nowadays. You really gotta watch what the heck you say, huh? But next time you're out at a store or where you're exchanging money or something, mention wheat penny to the teller or someone around you. See if they know what it is. You'll be surprised. Pair of sevens, or 3 sevens and a pair of ones. That's a nice bill. Just kind of interesting. That must mean we're getting too damn old. Crazy. Well, I suppose there's a lot of things they probably think is pretty weird about the older bucks like us anyway, too, I suppose. So, pair of sevens. So, what else we got here? We're going to be able to find another star note here today. We got a pair of fives. See what kind of interesting numbers. The three eights right there. There's a fourth one there. Yeah. Nothing on that guy. I might switch off and go to 20s later on, but depends on where I go. Pair of fives. Because some of the banks, they want to count each bill out. And you come there with $5,000 worth of 20s you want to get. They have to do a lot of damn counting. 3 fives. Now, some places, they have, the machines do everything. But some places, they want to count out every one of them, even if they got the machines to double check. So, pair of fours. So, just to make sure, but I hate to have them do all that, but it's the way it is. Now, look at here. We got 3 nines and 3 deuces. That's kind of an interesting bill. He's a beat-up guy, though. So, yeah, the old bank tellers. Try to keep them happy so they don't get mad at you. Pair of nines. What do we got here? A lot of zeros is all I see. Fives. Yeah, like I said before, a pair of 3 eights. I appreciate everybody who's watching my video all the way through. Hopefully I can keep this coming for you. 2 nines and sevens. And we'll see how it goes this year. I might be fishing too much to put too many of them out. We'll see what happens. Look at all the zeros and sevens on that one. Holy cows. Well, what do we got here? Deuces and sixes. Nothing to write home about on that one. sevens. And now here we got bookends, fit pair of fives on both ends. So very cool. And not much there. Pair of ones. I've had a lot of triple eights on this pack of bills. That's kind of cool. Pair of deuces. To get two sixes, 666s like that is a very interesting pile. So anyway, there we go. Let me straighten that out. So I will check on this star note. I document all of them in case I get some back again, but I really, really appreciate everybody watching, and catch you on the next route here. So